Best deals.
1. Wet grinder. Enjoy first of its kind hands-free batter dispatch that greatly simplifies grinding and cleaning. Has stainless steel stone holder for durability and easy cleaning, shockproof ABS body and detachable stainless steel drum, unbreakable and transparent lids made of polycarbonate material. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Electric coffee grinder. Anti-static technology makes the ground coffee chamber mess-free, preventing coffee grounds from flying around and messing up the worktop. The coffee grinder is also easy to maintain and clean. The built-in brush, removable upper, hopper, chamber for easy cleaning of the item. Enjoy consistently fine and even grounds for all your coffee needs, ensuring the perfect texture and flavor every time. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Mixer grinder. Equipped with advanced safety features, jar lock detection, fault LED indication, and no auto restart after power cuts, designed for safe, worry-free experience. Ventless body design, prevents dust, pests, and moisture, makes cleaning hassle-free and extends durability. Compact and modern, smart design with energy-efficient motor, a sleek alternative to bulky 1000-watt mixer grinders. Hands-free operation with anti-gravity lathe locks, convenient, spill-free, and secure during every use. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Electric chopper. This electric meat grinder comes with real 700W power, which is more efficient and faster. 4 stainless steel blades. 4D design allows upper and lower blades to evenly chop food from every 360-degree angle. The cutter comes with a non-slip mat. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Pulling chopper. Adjustable speed control switch. Regulate the chopping speed according to your preference. Low speed for a coarse finish and high speed for a fine finish. Multifunctional chopper, designed for diverse chopping needs. Ultra-sharp chopping blade and beater for chopping veggies, nuts, and herbs, and making salsas, condiments, dressings, and more. Smart design, 3 sharp stainless steel blades, blade protector, beater, spatula, a capacious container, and a detachable lathe for seamless chopping. Easy to clean, the chopper can be easily disassembled for thorough cleaning. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Slow juicer. The slow extraction process preserves the natural taste of fruits and vegetables without any metallic aftertaste, while also yielding more juice per produce item. Experience the nutritional magic of our cold-press juicer's slow 35 rpm speed, safeguarding maximum nutrition by minimizing oxidation and ensuring every sip is packed with goodness. Cold press juicer offers multifunctionality beyond traditional juicing, allowing you to create nutrient-packed juices and explore a variety of culinary possibilities. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Electric citrus juicer. Designed with a durable 40-watt copper motor, this juicer operates quietly, allowing you to juice without disturbing kids. The DC motor ensures long-lasting performance, making it ideal for daily use. Dual juicing cone for small and large fruits. Our juicer comes with 2 cones, making it suitable for juicing oranges, lemons, and sweet limes. Dual usage designed to store for later or serve instantly. Collect juice in the 1200 ml jug for later use or pour directly into a glass using the juicing tray with a smart spout, saving extra steps to make serving quick and mess-free. Protective anti-dust lathe. The included dust lathe keeps the juicer clean between uses, so you don't have to worry about dust or dirt getting inside. The automatic dual direction spin ensures maximum juice extraction, so you get the most out of every fruit without manual squeezing. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Mixer grinder. Has fine grinding with microgrind technology, with differentiated blade design that enables to grind even one pepper. Grinding modes, specially designed, coarse, fine, and superfine. Modes that helps to choose the preferred grinding consistency as per the recipe. Clean mode helps to clean the jars in quick and easy way without the hassle of scrubbing. 3 stainless steel and leak-proof jars with edged blade made of superior corrosion-free SS304 material. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Grinder machine. Spice grinder machines are versatile and can be used to grind a wide variety of spices, including cumin, coriander, peppercorns, cloves, cardamom, and more. Some models can also grind nuts and seeds. These machines ensure a consistent grind, resulting in a uniform texture and flavor in your dishes. You can adjust the coarseness or fineness of the grind to suit your specific recipe. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Oil press machine. High extraction efficiency. Experience unmatched efficiency with our oil maker machine. Equipped with advanced technology, it ensures maximum oil extraction from seeds and nuts, leaving behind minimal waste. Precision engineering for optimal results. Crafted with precision, our oil machine boasts a robust design that guarantees consistent and high-quality oil output. The powerful motor and carefully calibrated components work in perfect harmony, delivering a smooth and reliable performance every time. User-friendly operation. Simplicity meets sophistication with our user-friendly oil maker machine. The intuitive interface and easy-to-follow instructions make oil extraction a breeze, even for beginners. No specialized knowledge required, just add your ingredients, press a button, and let the machine do the rest. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Chopper. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs, and cream. Chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. Although manual, the handheld chopper runs without electricity, and the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put them in. The vegetable chopper container is made from a quality, food-grade, and BPA-free plastic. Made of food-grade PP plastic, which can safely produce a variety of food for your family. The vegetable chopper is operated manually and is very easy to use thanks to the pulling mechanism. Rotatable blades are placed at different points on the peeler, making it possible to cut fruit and vegetables more precisely. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Portable blender. With a 37W motor, 21 Nm torque, and 16,500 RPM, this portable blender features 6 stainless steel blades and a 5000 mAh battery for 7.4 volts power. Portable blender is ideal for quick shakes, smoothies, and ice crushing, perfect for busy, on-the-go lifestyles. Experience seamless blending and cleaning with a single touch. Press and hold the power switch for 2 seconds to start blending. For easy cleaning, add 2/3 water to the jar and blend for a full 45-second cycle. This easy-to-use feature ensures a seamless blend and quick clean, perfect for busy lifestyles. Being lightweight and wireless, this juice blender is easily portable to any desired place. The 450 ml clear, BPA-free, food-grade jar with a stainless glossy ABS body not only makes it handy but also gives it a luxurious, trendy look. Blend anywhere, anytime, with ease and comfort. From powders to protein shakes, smoothies to milkshakes, and even baby food, our rechargeable blender is the ultimate multitasker. With a one-touch operation, it effortlessly blends fruits, veggies, protein powders, and more, ensuring quick, nutritious refreshments. Experience the convenience and fun of drink preparation with our versatile portable blender. Product link is given in the 12th link.